Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on how you can use Canva to create your checklist, a PDF, a guidebook, a cheat sheet, or even a free infographic, okay? Canva is free to use. However, they do have a pro version which costs $10 a month, which I am using because it allows me to have my custom fonts in there and also my custom colors, so I don't have to go and choose them every single time. I can actually create a branding kit, but you don't need to worry about that right now, okay? So just sign up for Canva by going to canva.com, as you can see here. And then once you log in, you will see your dashboard. So what you then want to do is you want to go create a design. And let's just say you've created a cheat sheet, all right? So you can, let's see here, you can, or a checklist or whatever. So you want to choose your format. So you can choose an A4 document. So if people want to print it out, it's in A4 format. You can choose a presentation format, so it's more like a slide, and you can give people the PDF, so that would work really well, or a presentation which is wide width. You could also choose a planner size or a card size. You can really do anything you want, right? A worksheet, maybe you want to give them a worksheet, so you just click that. It will open in a new tab and you can then personalize it. And it's very, very simple. So the first thing you want to do is you want to name your worksheet with the name of your freebie. So when you go back into Canva later, you don't just have meaningless files in there. Everything makes sense, okay? So you can call that freebie worksheet, whatever you want to name it, okay? And then in your left side panel here, you see templates. Now Canva gives you free templates and they give you paid templates. So if it doesn't say free, it will actually cost $1. So you can just scroll through all of these and see whether you see anything that grabs your, yeah, I like this one here, okay? So you can then personalize each of these sections. So you see there's photos, so you go over here and you delete the image, and then you go to the photos here and you go travel and you highlight the free. So you only find free, you click enter, and all of these pictures here are free, and you can just drag them into these sections and let go. And if you need to adjust it, you can go to crop and you can actually drag the image a little bit more like that, so more of this bits and pieces are in there. And then this one here, you click on it, it's highlighted, you go to the bin, delete the image, and I want to put maybe this one in, she looks happy, and let go, and that's pretty good. And then this one here, I delete that, and I'll put this one here, and I think that looks fun. And that's pretty cool. I don't need to adjust that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I like that. So that's your header done. Now you want to change this. You can actually change the background color. So I've got my brand colors in here, but yours, you would have to look for the hex code or just choose a color from the palettes, which is fine. And then so let's see, hey, so let's see here, looks, travel, worksheet. Yeah, you can move these up, okay. I want to get rid of this personal essay here, get rid of that. And I want to center that, you just drag it, you can center it, see how it shows you whether you're in the middle. It's very simple. You can also change the font. So one of my fonts is OpenSan. So I just close that one, and I also choose one of my colors. No, I use the gold, yeah. and maybe adjust the size. Let's see. You can drag these out. See how it changes the layout? Yeah, so you just do that. And then this one here, you can actually go here and zoom in. So zoom in to 100%, so you can actually read what it says. So now it looks better. I actually want to bring these in, and I want to bring this bottom. I want to delete this bottom bit here, and then just that's it. Okay. So now here you know, please use this worksheet to plan your next luxury getaway using the tips and tricks below. Okay, so that's just a little blurb that basically tells them about the benefit of your worksheet, and then you can change the color of the field. I want to make that my gold, or I could make it my gray. Yeah, that looks a bit nicer. Okay, and then here you can drag text in here. So you go to the text element box, and you just click on the heading, and you can, subheading, which is like a title, and then you just move it into this box here and center align it. You can change the size of the font, the color of the font, the actual font. You can change the spacing, so you can, bring it out a bit more. You can play around with that. You can change the background of the box or the border of the box. So keeping it in alignment with my colors, I'll make it purple, then I'll make this one my gray again. So this is how you manipulate it, right? And then it updates. You see all changes saved. And you can upload your own photos. You can choose different backgrounds. You can even create folders and organize your work that way. You can have elements, which is basically these transparent elements if you want to use photos. So you can put a transparent element here. Oh no, that was too big. Maybe a round one. Let's put this one here, but we want to make it a lot smaller. So I want to put a round photo into this box here. Okay, so center align, and then I go to my uploads folder, and I'll take this and I'll just drop it in here, and I'll let go. There you go. See? Now I've got a photo of me, and that could be at the top of the thing or in the section where you talk about yourself. And then once you want to duplicate a page, for example, so you've got a page, you can actually just copy that or add notes, and this now page 2. Okay, so you've got the same header, but you can just continue and create a little workbook. Okay, and then once you're happy, make sure all changes have been saved, and then you just click on print letterheads, click on download. You make sure it's a PDF because it's like a workbook checklist. Crop, marks and bleeds, so if people want to print it, they can actually select that, so you can tick that box. All pages are selected. We download it. Okay, and while it downloads, please don't close the page, because otherwise your download will stop. So that's one of the things you need to be aware of with Canva. So just wait a second until your design downloads. And then once it downloads, you just double click it to open it in your browser, and voila! You got a beautiful checklist or cheat sheet or worksheet or whatever, and there's the crop marks for printing. Okay, so it's beautiful looking. There's nothing shoddy about it. And in another video, I'm going to show you how you can then make that download an available PDF, so people can actually click on a link. So how to click on a link. you're going to upload it into your Google Drive, but I'm going to put that into a separate video.